In environments where power continuity is non-negotiable, every second of downtime is a second too late. But when the unexpected hits and everything stops, you need answers fast. A single blink that speaks volumes while you're in the dark. Meet EasyPact NW. The trip system standard is one of the most efficient trip units that instantly identifies breaker status and precise trip cause, even from a distance.
Each LED tells a story.
The ready LED blinks green to confirm the breaker is ready to trip on fault. The service LED signals internal fault alarms and trips. And a flicker is just the first clue. Even during power outage, simply tap your phone to the breaker and instantly access trip details and recommended actions. For deeper insights, use the EPD app or EPC software to access. Breaker health, trip context, real-time measurements, trip history and active alarms. Expedite trip diagnostics and enable predictive maintenance to lower overall operational costs. Instant insights, rapid restoration. That's EasyPact NW.